Hello and welcome back. In today's tutorial, we are going to style our drop down here according to the design we have, which is this thing right here. Alright, so this one is going to be a simple one. At this point, you should already be familiar on how to do these things. I'm actually hoping you've already done it. But anyway, if you haven't, let's get to it. Alright, so what we're gonna do is search. Actually, I'm gonna make this bar dynamic, right? What I mean by that is I don't want this search bar to always show that drop down, in case you wanna use it for whatever else you have in mind, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do object property here, right? So what we're gonna do is this search bar is gonna take uh, another property here, and this property is going to be suggestion widget, right? And this suggestion widget is gonna be an object property, and we're going to allow none. So basically, what we're gonna do next is if we have a suggestion widget, we are going to show that suggestion widget. If we don't, we are just going to show that simple button. Okay, so we are going to have a requirement for a suggestion widget. So this suggestion widget should always have at least a text attribute. All right, so that no matter what happens, we know that we can just add text, and that will be that. Okay, so actually, what we're gonna do is let's see. All right, let's just work with text for now. All right, so suggestion widget is going to be that, and then what we're gonna do now is on our drop down here, we're simply going to say if self.suggestion. If we do have a suggestion widget, then we're simply going to say b is equal to the suggestion widget, like that. All right, so what this means now is if we go to our POS, for example, and where is this, and go to our search bar here, and we do suggestion underscore widget, and we say, you know what, instead of using that regular button, just use a flat button. All right, I'm actually not sure about this one, but yeah, let's go. All right, now let's do FG. All right, so it doesn't look like we are able to use this. This is extremely strange. Let's see why. All right, let's go here and do b is equal to self.suggestion widget. All right, our flat button. Let's do this instead. I'm gonna go up here. I'm gonna do import the factory, and I'm gonna import it from kivy.factory, like that, and then where is our search bar? Let's try to get it from the factory instead. Alright, Control S, run that. Let's see if the factory has it. Alright, and ooh, I actually still can't see it. That is interesting indeed. Alright, let's see why. Suggestion widget is equal to object property. That should have worked actually. Well, Looks like that's not gonna work. I really hate doing it like this, but for now, we do not have a choice. So what we're gonna do is do it the boring way. So yeah, let's just do it. So class, and I'm gonna do suggestion widget. I really hate this, and I'm probably gonna change it later anyway. But yeah, for now, let's just do that. And we need to import our box layout. So up here from Kivy.uix.box layout, we want the box layout, right? So box layout. All right, and let's just we need, what do we need? We need the product code, and this is a string property. Oh, we don't have the string property as well. Well, we're gonna get it. So string property for the code. We're going to need string property for the name. Finally, the price is not gonna be a string property, but a numeric property. Alright, so we need string and numeric. And a numeric value is gonna start with 0. Now let's go back here. Let's get those. So string property. What else? Well, numeric property. Okay, so now let's go ahead and style our suggestion widget. Let's go here and style our suggestion widget. Well, first we want the size in Y to be none. We want the height to be 30. I like 42, so I'm gonna go with that. And I wanna space my widgets. 8 should be good. And then finally we're just gonna add our text. So the text for this one is gonna be root.pcode, sorry. The color is gonna be app.color primary text. Oh my god. Font size is gonna be SP. Let's do app.fonts.size. I am really hating this. Let's do H4. I really wish we could have made it dynamic, but anyway, for now, let's continue. All right, so the font name is gonna be app.fonts.body. Remove that, and also remove that there. Okay, let's just duplicate this. This is gonna be the name, and this is finally gonna be the price, rounded to 2 decimal places. Round this and put it in here. Alright, so now we deal with the sizing game. So sizing X, let's do 3. If we do 3 on you, we can do 2 on you, which means you can get 5. That gives us 10. Alright, finally, what do we need? Should we give it a background? I wonder. Alright, let's just give it a background, because why not, you know. So, canvas dot before. Color for our background is gonna be RGBA. App.color secondary BG. Well, where do we want to paint this color? We want to paint it on a rectangle. What is the position of this rectangle? Well, it's gonna be the position of whatever this widget is. What about the size? It's gonna be the size of our widget. Lovely. Alright, that should pretty much do it. Now, one last thing. We want this to be clickable, right? So we're gonna do from Kivy.uix. Oh, from Kivy.uix.behaviors, we want to import the button behavior. Alright, so that we give our box layout clickable behavior. So just close that. And alright, you will probably need this later. So the button, basically all behaviors need to appear, basically all behaviors need to be imported first before you import any other thing on your widget, because otherwise these events will not work on your widget. So if you had to add this button behavior, make sure you add it at the very first. Don't add it after importing anything else, because it will not work. Alright, so with that said, let's see if we can add our suggestion widget now. So where is it? Here. Suggestion widget. Alright, let's see if this will work. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed. Da-da-da. Alright, looks like it's working. So we have our total here, but we cannot see anything here. And that is simply because we are setting text here, but there is no such thing here. So for example here, we can set name instead of text, and then we need to set the others as well. So b.p code is gonna be, and I'm just gonna add some random stuff, and then b.price and 23.56, because why not? Alright, let's run this. And there we go. But I don't like this variable height here. I don't know what's going on there. But for now, actually, let's fix the padding. Alright. So what we're gonna do is go here and add some padding. So padding is gonna be left, right, top and bottom, nada. Okay, that should do it. Let's run it. Alright, there's padding now, looks better. Alright, so this is where we're going to stop for this one. In the next one, we are probably, actually, that is exactly what we're gonna do. We are going to start working with these. So basically when we click this, we want it to be added here, right? And then also added here. Alright, so if you have any questions regarding this tutorial, leave them in the comment section. Otherwise, as always, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.